You don't need surgery to improve your face. I spent months researching how to naturally improve your facial features, and it has nothing to do with skincare or makeup. We are so used to doing certain things that we don't even realize how they disrupt our facial features. But you can fix it with a few tiny tweaks and techniques I'm going to show you in this video. The truth is, these techniques aren't talked about anywhere because they can't be packaged and sold. This is exactly why I created this video. Let me spill the tea and finally share what I discovered. Starting with something that's probably happening to your face right now. Most of us walk around looking like this. Our face is in a constant state of low-level stress. We scrunch our foreheads when we concentrate, clench our jaws when we're anxious, and squint at screens for hours without even thinking about it. This might seem harmless, but it's actually one of the biggest factors preventing your face from looking its best. Your facial muscles have memory. Just like how sitting with bad posture eventually changes your spine, holding tension in your face eventually changes your features. It's just like that rubber band effect, where something stretched too long loses its ability to bounce back. Many people notice that one eyebrow sits slightly higher than the other, and often it's because of small facial habits picked up over time. For example, regularly raising one eyebrow when feeling skeptical or curious can actually train the muscle to sit unevenly. It's subtle, but over the years, it adds up. But did you know you can easily fix that? The solution is facial release massage. But not the gentle spa version you're thinking of. I'm talking about targeting the deeper muscle layers that hold all that stored tension. Start with your jaw because that's where most people carry the most stress. Place your thumbs under your jawline and use firm pressure to massage in small circles from your ears down to your chin. You'll probably find some surprisingly tight spots. That's years of tension you're releasing. Next, work on your temples and forehead. Use your fingertips to make slow circles, applying enough pressure that you can feel it reaching the muscle underneath. The goal is to teach these muscles how to actually relax again. Do this for just 5 minutes before bed and you'll start waking up with a softer, more symmetrical face.
Okay.
But even if you release every bit of facial tension, there's still something working against you that explains why some people just naturally glow while others look tired no matter what they do. It's not genetics, an expensive highlighter, or some secret skincare routine.
Duh.
The difference is what's happening beneath the surface of your skin. Your face has an incredibly rich network of tiny blood vessels, but modern life does everything possible to mess with how well blood flows through them. Most of us spend way too much time staring down at screens, barely moving our faces except to squint or frown. Add in the constant low-level stress we're all carrying around, and your circulation takes a hit, especially in your face. And when blood flow slows down, it shows. Your skin can start looking a little puffy, dull, and somehow tired, no matter how much concealer you pile on. The fix involves tricking your circulatory system into working better through temperature therapy and lymphatic drainage. I know that sounds fancy, but it's actually pretty simple. Start your morning by splashing cold water on your face for 30 seconds, then switch to warm water for another 30 seconds. Do this 3 times. The temperature changes causes your blood vessels to contract and expand like tiny pumps, forcing better circulation throughout your facial tissues. Follow this with a lymphatic drainage massage. Unlike regular massage, you move fluid, not working muscles. Use very light pressure and stroke outward from the center of your face. Then down your neck towards your collarbones. That's where the lymphatic system drains. Good circulation helps, but it's not the whole story. You could drink a gallon of water every single day and still wake up with skin that feels tight, looks dull, and seems chronically dehydrated. How's this even possible? Well, the biggest mistake I see people make is washing their face twice a day with foaming cleansers. Your skin works all night to produce natural oils that protect and nourish your face. When you wash them away first thing in the morning, you're basically starting each day with compromised, vulnerable skin. Here's what changed everything for me. At night, cleanse away makeup and daily buildup. And in the morning, just rinse with lukewarm water unless you used heavy products the night before. But if your skin needs a little extra care in the morning, go for a gentle, hydrating cleanser instead. The goal is to avoid anything harsh or stripping. The second thing is moisture sealing. After applying any serums or treatments, give it about 2 minutes to soak in, then apply a thin layer of facial oil while your skin is still slightly damp. This creates a protective seal that locks everything in. I use this squalane oil from Good Molecules because it's lightweight and mimics your skin's natural sebum without feeling greasy. The trick is applying it to damp skin. That's what creates the moisture locking effect. But there's another thing that could be completely undermining all your efforts, and it's probably happening to you right now as you watch this. Most people don't realize that their daily posture is literally reshaping their face over time. Forward head posture doesn't just cause neck pain and headaches. It changes how your jaw sits, makes your chin appear smaller, and creates that double chin effect even on people who are otherwise slim. This happens because your facial structure is interconnected. When your head moves forward, it creates a chain reaction that affects everything from your jawline to your cheekbones. Over months and years, your muscles adapt to this position, and what started as temporary becomes your new normal. The solution involves retraining both your posture and your facial muscle patterns. The first part seems obvious. Keep your head over your shoulders instead of push forward. But the second part is where it gets really interesting. Your tongue should rest against the roof of your mouth, not just the tip, but the entire surface. This engages muscles that support your jawline and cheekbones from the inside. Let me show you how to find the right position. Swallow normally and notice where your tongue naturally goes after you swallow. That's where it should stay throughout the day. It feels weird at first, like you're concentrating too hard on breathing. But give it just a few weeks and it'll start to feel completely natural. But even if you master perfect posture, what if there's something happening inside your body that directly affects how your face looks from the outside? You know how they say you are what you eat? With your face, it's more accurate to say you are what you ate about 48 hours ago. That's how long it takes for nutritional changes to actually show up in your facial skin. But most people have no idea which nutrients make the biggest difference. Most people just focus on avoiding junk food, but there are specific nutrients that your facial skin and muscles absolutely cannot function without. When you're deficient in these key vitamins and minerals, your face is literally one of the first places it shows up. The 3 that make the most dramatic difference are silica, vitamin C, and omega-3 fatty acids in the proper ratio. Silica is what gives your skin that firm, bouncy texture that makes it look youthful and healthy. You can get some from cucumbers and bell peppers, but the most bioavailable form actually comes from bamboo extract supplements, like this one here. This is one of those rare cases where the supplement version can work better than the food sources. Vitamin C is literally required for every single molecule of collagen your body produces. But most people are wasting their money on megadose supplements. Your body can only absorb about 200 milligrams at a time, so those 1,000 milligram tablets just pass through unused. Instead, eat vitamin C-rich foods like oranges, grapefruit, broccoli, and strawberries throughout the day for steady absorption. Omega-3 fatty acids control inflammation at the cellular level. Chronic low-level inflammation is what makes faces look puffy, aged, and just generally tired. The right balance of omega-3 to omega-6 fatty acids keeps this inflammation in check and gives you that natural, healthy glow that no highlighter can replicate. And if you're wondering how to get longer, fuller lashes without serums or extensions, I've got you covered with this video right here.